Hi everyone. Today we were making
French toast.
French toast. And my special guest is Dick Davis.
Good morning, everybody. What a beautiful morning out there, even though it's raining. But we need rain to make life, right? So I got part of it. Well, I like to use a whisk. I went to a lot of restaurants, fancy restaurants, and asked for an omelet, and it was so flat. The idea of the whisk is to put air into the egg. So you mix it like this, so you get the air down inside of it. Then it'll be nice and fluffy. You see the omelet, the omelets are about this thick at the restaurants. If they did this method, you'd be nice fluffy egg omelet. Okay. And it's so simple to do. I understand why people don't do it, or maybe laziness. You can use a fork. You don't have a whisk, it's okay, use a fork. It's not a problem. But you get that air in there, you get that going in that room. A little bit of sugar and a little bit of milk. In this case 2%, but it don't matter, you can use 1%, whatever you fancy. Well, the homogenizer works just as good as anything else, right? So I just add this in here like this. And just not very much vanilla. You can overpower it with vanilla. You can, it's very easily done. So I just put a half a cap. Put a half a cap. Oh.
About half a teaspoon, right?
Yeah, but half a teaspoon. Yeah, exactly. That in. And get that mixed in there good. Each time you do that, you get a little more air in it, make it nice fluffy, and it's always better when it's fluffy. Imagine have a fluffy duck flat, not very good. And sugar, I don't add very much. Just a tiny bit, maybe half teaspoon, half spoon, just enough for a little bit of sweetness.
Half a teaspoon.
Yeah, that's about it. Not half teaspoon. And as far as milk, it's just a pinch. A pinch.
And then you want me to turn the
And then
heat?
Turn the heat on. The pan warming up.
To medium heat?
Yeah, you start with high, get warmed up, then we turn down to medium.
Okay. Put it in 8.
Yeah. So the milk will just, you see the milk will just start to look just a little bit whiter on the edges. That's all you need. You don't need very much. If you put too much milk in there, then it gets too runny, right? But the eggs now they're starting to look like, take a little bit of shape to it. Just perfect. So we do that. There we go. Now on the bread, that should be enough there. You can go as much as you want. If you like really fluffy, you can go a little longer or shorter. And we kind of like ours about medium. Like if I'm doing an omelet, I'll do the same way with my omelet, but I'll give lots with the omelet to get lots of air in there, and you get nice fluffy omelets like this. They go like this. I hate going to a restaurant and finding these little skinny little omelets. Like just so what the chef can't know how to make an omelet. Like anybody should make an omelet. Simple, not really that hard. Okay. Then we take our bread and we'll
Yeah, okay.
Slice of bread.
But it's not warm yet though. We have to wait.
Yeah, but we gotta soak this anyway.
Okay.
Oh, it's off? Okay, it's okay. You paused it?
Yeah, and then you want me to turn it on?
Wait till that's warm. We'll got some butter in it.
Huh?
Don't.
But it's non-stick though.
Yeah, but you don't want to burn anything.
Okay.
Okay, we'll put a little bit of a Pam or whatever this is non-stick. You shouldn't need it, but I like to put a little bit in. A little bit in. And then we add the bread into the batter. Soak it up good. 6 eggs will make 4 French toast. Give it a good soaking. And we'll put it right in the frying pan. Here we go.
Is it warm enough? Yeah.
It's fine. Just soak it in there. Now, some people just leave it at that, cook it at that. Oh, that looks nice. Okay.
Oh, it looks yummy already.
Yes, looks really yummy already. Okay. Pepper.
Where's there?
Where? I like to add a little bit of Little bit of, it's empty. Pepper's out. A little pepper and salt.
Over there. There's pepper there.
A little bit, not too much, just a pinch.
The ground little bit.
And a little bit of pepper, just for flavoring.
Okay.
And that's all you want. Okay. Now, you smell, they smell good. Oh, they trim a little bit longer.
The other one should be
Pretty
ready.
close, yeah.
There.
Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Just like that.
Pause it.
Yep. That fluffiness, get that fluffiness in there. And people that they don't, they just mix the eggs up and all they do is they're skinny.
Put more.
There's gonna be more.
Okay. There's a second batch for you.
Second batch, absolutely. Because see this side's gonna be done here. Oh yeah, that's looking good.
Oh, that's
There we
yum.
go.
Turn the heat to medium, maybe.
Not too much, yeah. Just about there.
Okay.
Just above medium. You don't want the heat to get too low, it takes too long to cook. You don't want to burn them, but you don't want to take forever either, once you get started. There you go. That turned out 6 eggs. Turned into 6 pieces of French toast. So pretty well 1 egg per toast. Works out pretty good. And by fluffing it up with the 2, it seems to expand it more. Last time we used 5 eggs and we just got 4 pieces of toast. So we did pretty good this time around. Now we're going to take it to the table and add your favorite syrup over on top. Well, some people just like butter and eat it, but I prefer Aunt Jemima buttered flavored syrup. Now, then you add your favorite condiment. I prefer Aunt Jemima butter flavored, but yeah, whatever your fancy. Some people use syrup, some people just put butter on it. I just put enough on, just like you eat your pancakes. Same idea. It's so tasty. I just can't wait to dig into it. Perfect. Thank you for joining us for breakfast. And you have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I have to eat my share too. Look, it's looking pretty good. Okay guys. Thank you for watching again. Bye-bye.